Ever found yourself flipping your house upside down looking for your wallet or keys? Meet the Portronics Card Finder, your ultimate companion to stay organized and stress-free. With its ultra-slim and lightweight design, this gadget is perfect for your daily essentials. Whether it's your wallet, keys, or bag, the Card Finder ensures you'll never lose track of what matters. Let's unbox the Portronics Card Finder and see what's inside this compact packaging. The box is clean and minimal, reflecting the sleek design of the product itself. Starting with the accessories, we have a USB charging cable. This ensures the Card Finder stays powered for up to 6 months on a single charge. And here's the main attraction, the Portronics Card Finder. Its ultra-slim and lightweight design makes it ideal for wallets, keychains, and bags, adding no bulk while keeping your essentials secure. That's everything inside the box. Simple, sleek, and ready to use. Now, let's dive deeper into its features. To give you an idea of its size, the Portronics Card Finder is almost the same length and width as a standard credit card. However, it's not as thin as a credit card, but it's still incredibly slim and lightweight, making it easy to slide into your wallet or attach to your keys without adding noticeable bulk. The Portronics Card Finder is a sleek and portable smart gadget designed exclusively for iOS users to track and locate essential items effortlessly. Here's a quick summary of its features. Sleek design. Ultra slim and lightweight, perfect for slipping into wallets, bags, or attaching to keys without adding bulk. MFI certified. Fully compatible with iOS devices, ensuring top-notch integration and performance with the Apple ecosystem. Rechargeable. Features a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 months on a single 3-hour charge, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. Buzzer alert. Emits a powerful buzzer sound audible up to 20 meters, making it easy to locate misplaced items like keys, wallets, or bags. Apple Find My app integration. Works seamlessly with Apple's Find My app for a smooth and intuitive item tracking experience. Here's how you can set up the Portronics Card Finder in just a few steps. First, charge the device using the included USB cable. It takes about 3 hours for a full charge, and once done, the Card Finder is good to go for up to 6 months. Once fully charged, disconnect the Card Finder from the charging cable. Press and hold the power button on the Card Finder until the device beeps or the indicator light blinks. This puts the Card Finder in pairing mode. Next, open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS version for seamless compatibility. In the app, tap on the Items tab at the bottom, then select Add Item and choose Other Supported Item. Your iPhone will detect the Portronics Card Finder automatically. If prompted, make sure to enable Bluetooth on your iPhone so the initial setup works seamlessly. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair it, and assign a name like Keys or Wallet to make it easier to track. To make it stand out from other similar devices you may have set up, assign an emoji, like a key or a credit card. This adds a personal touch and helps you identify it at a glance. Once done, press Finish, and that's it. Your Card Finder is now fully set up and ready. After pairing, open the Find My app on your iPhone and select the Card Finder from your list of connected devices. To locate it, tap the Play Sound button in the app. You'll hear a loud and clear buzzer from up to 20 meters away, making it easy to find your misplaced item. The Portronics Card Finder is designed to be incredibly versatile and easy to carry. You can easily slip it into your wallet, so it's always with your important cards and cash. Alternatively, it fits perfectly in your purse or handbag, adding no bulk while ensuring your essentials stay secure and trackable. If you're someone who tends to misplace keys often, the Card Finder is also a great addition to your keychain, helping you keep track of them with just a tap in the Find My app. Its slim design means you can carry it effortlessly without feeling weighed down, making it perfect for daily use and keeping your most essential items within reach. We tested the Portronics Card Finder and the Apple AirTag by placing them inside a cupboard, simulating a lost item scenario, and comparing their features and performance. Both devices integrate seamlessly with the Find My app and perform equally well with the Play sound feature, helping us locate misplaced items quickly. When it comes to locating precision, the AirTag has an edge. It uses the Find Nearby feature in the Find My app, guiding you step by step to the exact location of your item. In contrast, the Card Finder provides a broader location view by showing its last known position on the map. While it's not as precise, it's still effective for general tracking. The Card Finder excels in portability with its slim design, fitting effortlessly into a wallet, something the bulkier AirTag cannot do. If you want to use the AirTag with keys, you'll need to purchase a separate silicone pouch, whereas the Card Finder is ready to use straight out of the box. Power management is another difference. The AirTag uses replaceable batteries, while the Card Finder is rechargeable, offering up to 6 months of use on a single charge. No battery replacements required. Both trackers cater to different needs. The AirTag is perfect for precise tracking, while the Card Finder stands out for its sleek design and eco-friendly rechargeable battery. That brings us to the end of our review of the Portronics Card Finder. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and hands-on tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.